There's a gadget on this list that launches from your palm, shoots 4K video, and costs less than your last grocery run. 16 gadgets, all tested, all genuinely cool enough to earn a spot. Some will surprise you. One will make you grab your phone mid-video. If you want honest gadget pics with zero filler, subscribe and turn on notifications. Comment your guess. What's number 1? Number 16. Nitecore TINI 3, $40. A keychain flashlight that punches 600 lumens from something smaller than your thumb. 20 grams. 3 color temperatures: warm, neutral, cool. You switch depending on conditions. USB-C rechargeable with 85-hour runtime. I clipped this to my keys 3 weeks ago and used it 4 times before Tuesday. Roadside tire change, power outage, finding my dog's toy under the couch. Best flashlight is the one you actually have on you. At 15, UGREEN Uno, 65 watts, $50. It's a USB-C charger shaped like a tiny robot with a face. 3 ports, charges your laptop at full speed. The screen displays real-time wattage with animated expressions. It smiles when you plug in, sleeps when idle. I keep this on my desk and people ask about it constantly. $50 for a charger that starts conversations. The robot face is doing more networking than most people at my office. Number 14. BlendJet 2, $50. USB-C rechargeable portable blender that crushes frozen fruit, ice, protein shakes. 15 blends per charge. I brought this to the office one morning and within a week, 4 coworkers owned one. Self-cleaning mode. Add soap and water, press blend, rinse. It's compact enough for a gym bag and loud enough to make your cubicle neighbor put down their coffee and ask questions. That part is a feature, not a flaw. At 13, Maktar Qubii Duo, $55. Plug your phone into this tiny cube to charge and it automatically backs up every photo, video, and contact to a micro SD card. No cloud subscription, no monthly fees, no iCloud storage nagging. I dropped a phone in a lake in 2023. 2 years of photos? Gone. That specific nauseous feeling drove me to find this. Now everything backs up automatically every night while I sleep. Supports up to 2 terabytes. Number 12. Sharge Retro 67, $70. A 67-watt GAN charger that looks like a miniature retro CRT television. The screen actually works. Displays a digital rain animation while showing real-time charging data. 3 USB-C ports. Folds flat for travel. Charges a MacBook Air at full speed. I plugged this in at a coffee shop and a stranger stopped mid-walk to ask what it was. You buy this for the charging. You keep it for the reactions. At 11, Elgato Stream Deck Neo, $89. 8 LCD keys that each show a custom icon. One tap opens apps, toggles your smart lights, mutes your mic, controls Spotify, triggers keyboard shortcuts. 2 touch points at the top for scrolling. Not just for streamers anymore. I use mine to launch my 5 daily apps and switch room scenes. Programmable physical buttons for your entire digital life. Once you set it up, you wonder how you functioned without it. 6 down, 10 to go. Budget picks delivered. Starting now. Things float, glow, see in the dark, and print photos out of thin air. Subscribe if you haven't. It gets wilder from here. Top 10. Number 10. A magnetic levitating Bluetooth speaker, $98. This speaker orb actually floats. Magnetic base suspends it in mid-air while it plays 360-degree sound and rotates slowly over color-shifting LED lights. 5 watts, Bluetooth wireless, pairs in seconds. I set this up on my desk and my roommate stopped talking mid-sentence, just stared, watched it hover and spin for a solid 30 seconds, then asked me to send the link. The visual is hypnotic. You set it up and never stop watching. Number 9. A 4K digital night vision monocular, $99. Total darkness, 300 meters of clear vision. Records video, takes photos, infrared illuminator invisible to the naked eye. Includes a 32 gig SD card. I took this to my backyard at midnight and watched 3 raccoons execute a coordinated trash can raid like a nature documentary I never asked for. You haven't truly experienced suburbia until you've watched a possum family navigate your fence line at 2 a.m. in infrared. Spy gear, under $100. No further justification needed. At 8, DARTLE wireless laser keyboard, $100. It projects a full-size keyboard layout onto any flat surface using a red laser. You type on the table, it registers every keystroke. Also works as a mouse touchpad. Bluetooth pairs to phone, tablet, or laptop. I pulled this out during a meeting and 3 people completely forgot the agenda. One guy tried to pick up the projected keys off the table. His brain refused to accept they weren't physical. That reaction alone is worth the price. Number 7. Fujifilm Instax Mini Link 3 110. A pocket-sized printer that turns your phone photos into real physical Instax mini prints in 15 seconds. Bluetooth, free app with filters and frames, works with any phone. I printed a candid shot at a house party and handed it to someone. Their face? Genuine delight. Nobody prints photos anymore. That's exactly why this lands so hard. Physical photos feel like artifacts from a cooler timeline. 3 colors available. At 6, OutIn Nano, $150. A portable espresso machine that heats its own water. Ground coffee or Nespresso capsules. USB-C rechargeable, 3 to 5 shots per charge. Water in, grounds in, press the button. Real espresso in 3 minutes, anywhere. I made a shot in a parking lot before a hike and felt unreasonably powerful. Camping, road trips, your desk at 3 p.m. when motivation flatlines. This handles all the coffee emergencies. Every coffee snob I've shown this to has caved within a week. Top 5. These aren't just cool gadgets. They're the ones that change how you think about what's possible. If anything so far earned a like, tap it now. 1 second. Helps this reach more people. Let's finish strong. Top 5. Number 5. Plaud NotePin S 179. A tiny AI wearable you clip to your shirt collar, lanyard, or pocket. Records conversations and meetings, transcribes in 112 languages with speaker labels, then generates summaries and action items automatically. 20 hours continuous recording, 40 days standby, 64 gigs of local storage. I wore this through a 2-hour strategy meeting, forgot it was even there, and 10 minutes later had a perfectly organized summary with bullet points waiting on my phone. If you're in meetings all day, this is the most useful gadget on this list. At 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini, $299. The 3D printer that finally made 3D printing not frustrating. Auto bed leveling, auto calibration, whisper quiet, insanely fast prints. Set it up in 15 minutes. Send a file from your phone. Watch it build an object from nothing. I printed a replacement hinge for my sunglasses case, a custom phone stand, and a cable organizer, all in one afternoon. The moment you realize you can manufacture solutions to small problems at home, something in your brain shifts permanently. No going back. Number 3. FLIR One Edge, $319. A wireless thermal imaging camera that connects to any phone via Bluetooth. No cable, no adapter, works 30 feet away. Point it at anything and see heat signatures in real time. I scanned my apartment and discovered a cold air leak around a window I'd ignored for 2 years. Fixed it. Noticed the difference immediately on my next energy bill. It sees what your eyes literally cannot. Pipe leaks behind walls, overheating outlets, insulation gaps. Genuinely useful tech disguised as something that looks like a sci-fi prop. At 2. Insta360 GO 3S, $380. The smallest 4K action camera on the planet. Weighs 39 grams, less than your AirPods case. Mount it anywhere, your chest, your dog, your bike helmet, a magnetic clip on your fridge to catch whoever keeps stealing your leftovers. Flip touchscreen on the action pod for framing shots, 10 meters waterproof. Apple Find My built-in so you never lose it. Flow state stabilization makes shaky handheld footage look like it was shot on a gimbal. I strapped this to my cat. The footage was pure cinematic chaos. Absolutely worth it. 15 gadgets down. Now number 1. Launches from your palm. Shoots 4K. Costs less than your grocery run. Last chance. Drop your guess. The coolest gadget you can buy right now is the DJI Neo at $149. Here's why this is number 1. First, it launches from your palm. Hold it out, tap the button, it lifts off and follows you automatically. No controller, no flying experience, no FAA registration required. At just 135 grams, lighter than your phone. Second, 4K stabilized video with AI subject tracking. It shoots cinematic footage that looks like you hired a camera operator. Quick Shots gives you orbital, helix, and droney moves with absolutely zero piloting skill. Third, under $150. This technology cost thousands 2 years ago. Now it fits in your hand and costs less than most things on this list. A 4K self-flying camera drone for the price of nice headphones. Stop thinking about it, fly it. Which one are you buying first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. If this helped you find something cool, hit like. Subscribe for honest gadget picks every week. No sponsorship fluff, just stuff that actually works. Next list is already in progress. Number 1 on that one doesn't even look like tech.